Right, it's another brand new day, Tuesday, in the month of July 2020. And then 21st, as I can see, I'm called my Kadian for the boss row, a boss as here. And the reason come on, say, Pasafino, at the Kumabu TV, you're live on Facebook, and I have so YouTube. Na channel song, say, in the Atlantic, na a sinupi, Binyamre, na yet me as in some nupi. JDT Dedica and I was in Yamano. It's me, a Shemine Michael, Nana Atu Macon, who went to me after the same Mike. Now, in a young command of Dawson, Yabeko, a wood to Senior East, and the Honorable Minister of State, Mammy, the position in Mudupa, Papa, he said. Be a special development initiative. Now it's like more parliament here, not a nabo. And what was it a self-defense? Benam Rania now yet in Como. Peace Council, as your Benin, Empamano, and Fanny Friso. Esepa, Fonso, Eddie, Mameno, Akupimu, or the CID office. There have been a lot of issues I lay in information, the CID factor and Sir Eddie from my memoir. Other 4 people now want to do no. I want to actually be now yet to me editing the happenings. The Electoral Commission of Ghana are condemning the various recent violence or some various polling centers are Ghana ending voter register now. Benamre now yet the Economics Intelligence Unit IEU once again assigned accredited say December 7th elections. And then my neighbors DC Konoa, His Excellency the President of the Republic, Nana Adanko Akufo-Addo, Ghana Mankeni, or no, and Ghana for Atuan should be because Ghana for any GDA Ewo Kalama Benada John Dramani Mahama Emu. And also, I want some of the number now yet to me at the Senation say COVID-19, the novel coronavirus. I won't come on so and so far. Yareno, a daily pardon pa, and a good but and they Ghana service and information ministry, Casayano. That's a Yarena Yanisa, a Sassia from a crap. And so far, 763 new cases, and a jack recorded in total, on my name, 28,000. No smash no. Times and a half in power, and then we are not in normal times. 28,430 cases and they are recorded across the country with 153 deaths. It is a death toll no in Abekano Amaye drew 153 and then recoveries 24,901 and you are now at all more active cases or now the active cases now or more. Yareno and that's what we redeem. Dr. Fujina so more show. 3,376 and the activities was so far in our country. Still, the Greater Accra region is leading with 15,328, followed by Ashanti region 6,151, Western region 2,310, Central region 1,155, Eastern region with 1,087, Volta region 511. Bono region 421, Bono East region with 294, Upper East region with 282, Northern region with 271, Western North region with 216, Uti region 147, Afro region 116, Upper West region 75, Savannah region 57, and then Northeast region Ekuta 9. So, Bohombai, I'm a mobile, na intimwa, Emma Yareno, intimi into us. You won't come up, no, high binamre, na yet to me, Eddie. But then, my special guest was Astra constituency. Enna, Madame Patricia Page, it take you over, Eddie Free, Honorable Maxwell, Kofi Jima, Madame Patricia Page, Honorable, were called 2 terms. NPP, Echo Primacy. Unopposed acclamation munyaye say a man from one source about about the 3rd time one or parliament in the ticket of the NPP constituency Okwa the constituency no a nipa be me ensa se me nu asa me ensa e na ayi omuti se omoko independent to contest her because they believe say ni nyuma ya no form the constituencies are talking development will form. That's what the constituency some of them are saying. In the party many be unity almost omoko contemporary baako ha ene no bedin komo na ebusa say dey na to chimenti a we MPP ni ni won say party ne kura no say between so for jai e contest as an independent candidate for Aska constituency. Every time I see ya ba Mr. Minta Osei ene rural community e wa ha e bedin komo e ba see ya. Right, yes, I'm Marian Fakaba, and from Sinupi on Kumaru TV, Aseda Enko Enfa Emma Muhis Herbal Center, Dr. Muhammad Isa Abapiu, Sanso, and a Gospel Casket, and a Jonat Herbal Clinic. Some of the music I see as Navy Medino at the Ebro. Live on YouTube, Sam Darkus TV, Facebook, Kumaru TV. Share with us your views, your talk, your comment, I can kind of my catch a little you know, part 1 and 2, and the part 1 me Mr. Divine Osei Minta parliamentary candidates we know independent at the man Aska or ne the PR Bahineba Kabina Eji Ewa. You couldn't come out, you must say, I did Deputy Minister for Science and Environment. You might have to on person mutina sakunya bani akwa ya enja ya ba kwali na do mai ho ya ba ya akwa eso mini ya ba kwali bibia da na kwen mpeni vaka se pa o funa mu aska ya o sa matina wache lifestyle ana ufuri ana oh kuma se se we free My yes, as you see, the cassette divine was saying, one of my
divine was saying, elder Church of Pentecost,
okay,
Asqua area, GRC district. When I'm presiding your central assembly. I face the electrical engineer. At the same time, as a car dealer.
Wow.
Who was a divine. You don't know how to name me.
2 years elder.
Yeah, elder Church of Pentecost.
And I'm very politics.
Yes,
I didn't hear.
I will order that from Genesis to Revelation, politics of Bible.
Sir.
Then, and you may say, the for Enti ma obi ye ogidi na or no share politics mo a na ehun ni say ade boni bi e na oba be enti sa free abodi mfiti ase na politics agency
Enti we ye electrical engineer. Wow. What gentleman could be done?
Oh, me join me and you could be a dabat you.
My papa. Ask what MP or we are away.
Oh, my wife, Mamma Patricia.
The DNSC, I was squat. You posters all over in a squat. Elder Divine was saying independent candidate. DNSC.
Oh, but who's a mammy a break? A brave really say, Mamma, a commoner, a crack. Now, me 20 medicine.
And the cards are
oh, a break. We'll be cat. Oh, was a break. Oh, my brace, oh, my common was what soon okay me 4 years. From there, I sound by a scratch 8 years. And 12 years, enough is enough. Yeah, now you're twice now uncle me. I will be ordering the console stretching on the brain. Yeah, but with your own way. Now we have the energy, say, you bet my human. The person who has see, comes December 17th, you're retired. Now, Mama, I come home. Now, you have a soul to make you lady.
Because of Abraham, because I know, say, Okofale, I'm a popular acclamation or sample view. Nina, no one here, you be the man. You are blessed saying, development, moon bread, and I say, moon bread.
Oh, Binia, so we did dance here. So be did you maybe? That's what bread out in a chair. Obi can't just what bread. Wow, shit. Said we see a human almost a bread. They say, Usomu na Oklahoma. She said, only never need a free crying, and now free Kumasi, air concrete. Now, Otisti and him now shed cars in Bodos Wabe, cars, yes, near the wow, 10 chair where driver knows a baby, or pay Otisti anyway. Hey, Nanikum, Wabere, the man in no like a crack. So one timid and one trench and I'm in your car. Now, what did the Panatos? And yes, sir, Nippo woman in a local. Oh, my bread.
Is what my bread?
I bread.
8 years, you've been to me up about 16 years, you've been up 20 years, 24 years. You got only 8 years there, and said I made a baby.
Oh, maybe fun 8 years, maybe fun 12 years. But it came with the account, a man. So 12 years a year. Uncle me, them run to your trust.
We would teach our independent candidates, our Asqua. You say Asqua is the stronghold of the NPP. A bit me at the thousand women. In full, let us say a man from Asqua, say Musi Jennifer.
Opening me now, celebrate. Answer a TSC for man. If I'm working up researchers, different groups, there are 2 groups, and a more TC form. They started this October last year. Because we have the ambition, say, you two son more, and answer the 2 form, you 2 son more. They used to say, if say from a year, and answer from a year. Researchers know report on the bar, and you say, from the year, I see TC form. I don't tell me a TC form.
From a year,
Boko.
About being an elder, and there being 1 year no Asqua, a man for us coming here, said, well, we've known him, and the records they said, say, yes, switch here, everything about Asqua.
But I saw Penicase, Yatiasco, Yamia Roma, Idia Munipa, a fire home position, and my bonny BM will be a way in your bonny. Collab the bread, no more good, no more also. Ocean carpenter, tailor, headmistress, hairdressers, and decorations, debris. One I had almost school, debris. The modern body, I will be over. One I eat you on hospital base. Nina, Gusua, yes, I am running.
I was here, many Mr. Divine Minta or say, or call parliamentary candidate, or as an independent, say, on part, on our participate, or percent Utuno, and then Frapunia, so, and no, and in PR, and I eat them. Oh, Massaba, so now, Yabbe, policies are over the man as for. I'm going to Piero. Now you're part be back, and I never.
Oh, Minia Medasi. Na akwanya kesi ya dia media meeting aso dia achia me constituency for ye asopa constituency dia dia ni tie nyina na se ye asonoma okay osono moja awoyim da bia me ka asem wi se emkofo bi wo party ni mu na o mu kro mo hwehwe wo party ni mu da me melusu mi nua wo party we mu da
so abambe so
year 2000 afu achirishia
okay achirishia
yeah party same say ya attention ya hene ma tuyo so aso wo ma wani short ma chiri ba litirim instant one wo ye that time ni pass party abraba me dey me life na ma esen ka metra London enti bibi enti mama suppose me ma me ba kan nyene me enti party ni pa bi hwidi wo mu da na aresa dia niema bi si ko e wo ye constituency ni mu a se ya hwe ne ankanya ye ho constituency ni bese because se wo hwe asanteman yankasa da bia me ka se ye wura tara bi ye menhia de unti men ka se to so mienu edi nkan na wuyi ye no firi ho no mo a ye pekure wo din a asopa to so miensa ba current ya me ne wo kasa ni asopa ya ada ne ye kure ase na ada ne nso so metimi a
coincidence wono
ada ne ye kure ase because metimi a kirewo baby bear 5 since ye wura do bo ade nso kure mu so da
eno na e
metimi a kirewo baby ti se bokuru.
Okay, Atonsu Bukuru.
Atonsu
So na kwana university na asase, asai private na ye dikan busu kakra.
Kuwait. Esla. O pebe bia yi wo kakra ne ye kan sofo magemo ntem ho no ne ne ade no. Ada yi na aka ni na bola junction. Wonim se obi kura tia no, wonim se okuro bi okuro ma ye fere no oti. Be bia to bola
land for side no.
Yeah. Wonim se oti so so okura kan so pa constituency. Wo hwe oti. Enti yam si fo mo hwe sa ne ma we nyina menua eya dia da bia mkasa ya ma me yentam ni mfie motwe oti akonya so nyina me kokoro motika ho bi ene ya ma beti akonya so na eso so no se wa hwe ye na ye ye hwe ha bebiri a esan se nka ye ma kwan kora po ma manfo ko se wo mu kwa akofa wo mu form ama ya ye promise na mama nganya dia ngo benya 10% kora
Contest by
I'm telling you aka wonya eti bra ye ya ben say ya man krofo asi form na bere ni dura ye betu saa na mo ni biye no e bere dura ye na sabe mpere bia sa me na na kan na sa ma hwe o se mpon kokore hura no mu da be bi na wo abe wo mu kora sabi wo mu wodin no on se ya party dia sabe ye bodin bi te say doctor professor won ho nya so tim say wo wodin saafo ni nyina akora apo no ya ka tiro so obi ampe ba bi na ye mfa dwumabie no mama na je sasa ya oguso sa ya so pa no onko so nsa ya no eti ya so ye hwe ade no na e ha adwene na me nua ye tena se no da bi yesi fo wa mu sa fo ye no ye beko ampa nso so ya na ye nkrofo bi kasa ase eyi na party ni die enye party ba ni die ye party ne ma ena ne nso so me nua me ma wati asem bi se said yes
since I said yes so your party baby you
da
well is what film party this is a film go independent
mania ma me ka sa no nkyere wo se wo no ma me ba nka ya ma no so hwe fom a wo ye mo hye seven period ya 70 mi nya NPP ho enkodi NDC ho nko
okay
ko se nya bo na mi firi na ma ba so nko ho da eti ba bia me na mu pia masenya bo ofidi kesi yesu me ka station si bia me mo bia ti ase se enwuma pa na na do wo ye no ya tuwa ba mfama na nado
okay
na ya tuwa ba so mfama wo se minta na mpanyimfo se wo pama mansa na wo ko agya na so asabe mpere biasa ete se de wo ko na agya fie akoto ni diem enti wo se me ndase ya to abama na wo asokwa a enyerai e ko so be sifo wo be se ya ko wura na papa fie ye wo so ne yem na enti ya tena se hwe sa niam no na che se ya hweye ne ye hwe ha sa eniam abese ko se wura fom na one on one ne nkrofo odi nkomo na hwe eche se problems ye nkrofo boa eni ade a ya ade na ha atwene anu ti na minua ama ye ti si fom na ngesa ya tie si fom se be mpere biasa ye bo obi anu aduane egu ene ye ma obi aso a woti wo fidi kese ya ti ase se akonya ye MP akonya minister akonya president akonya eye national ye nyina ya dia a wo man ya bo anu asi wo enti se wo kari wo na betimi akobia wo ti be ko so wo hwe
bara wo kasa no wo se wo Kuwait oti
ya
S9
ya
Bokura
ya
omo kan ye
nyina di ni so kra ka
apart from a kwan a wo se MP eye kwan she's in parliament omo me ensembra na on lobbying for development na enkadi ebio na asesa
mini na
kwan no wanye mimi akwa no sokra no say ona so a unu say ona bo fiti ma side bo no ma shi bi esi ba kakra bi o
mimi na medasi se woni se MP nya kwan so MPB e de nsa kire se kwan we me na me ye e kwan we me na me ma ne ba ye da bia me ka se mu se obi wa asokwa ya wo mpagya ne nsa se first 4 years e kura na do ba ye da be ne ye ma me asori wo parliament say yes na ya ka se bia me foa so se Kumawu TV ebia yensa anye di sei ebi nsi da ena no me ko mu sister station bi na me ko aye no na PR a wo kasa ma wona bu che mensa
Maxwell
ya
no Maxwell
ya ase che mensa ti ma lobby 85 kilometers road asopa yesi yenya 14 yanto nyom mfamfere ye.
But the honorable TA, I think last 2 weeks, now the honorable MC upon a Saturday, I said within the 6 months, I find out the was spent. You have to be class from another district.
Mimi am a man some children. A better do say you giant nada. A better do say I was you giant nada. Me pato me person me bisa say, Tama honorable better than I walk as a that I'm not calling so who's one and near you will map my own. That time near ya was a full my own. That time ya chira managa near your point. That time baby I ti won share so you know. Not a honorable can come more so here more. It's ya your share in after ye ba to waba. A moment I will bet chira woman for say. Now you do me a good so where desperate no. Say I can't 2 years ago ya to about woman in ye. I'm telling you, shall make us and make a dear in America. Menya se bia me obi ehunu ro bia me ya builder me kura certificate ya di a point se ye san si suku anan eti make us minimum adwuma no eni mo mansi ya yetimi di ye adwuma no sa bere se ne na ada ntina ye kwan basa teleman se pepe kada kwan ase eti sa na ona bo be kan ye no efidi a ye di aba be busu no me pesa me ma me manfo a wo mutie me waso kwa nyina te se eye mfuturo eni ye tubu ye ni to the extent say si abrapo me ba me yankasa manimu eye ke la vie area omu ye ehona omu bie no ma ye gata one side e bie ma ye fa so ba se si amenam kwa so wa be be no ase o ma start say omu ofele enti pan ye da ye so na so ba city na ngasa kora ko no ye ntime fa bo so ni si anga ho pan mi
right I was so drink come on our Sika constituency ho and as I speak with you any time you know na you muti say omo ko as an independent candidate emu ba ko elder divine or seminta ano even one PR so can be also I was say mama participate dey omo etimi eyifi ho na mo dey omo eba and omo catch them say omo young people before so it means the MPP has failed in Asukwa said it
yes
boame wo pre abam policies pa no e ma man from Asukwa bi dey say
that's the brave Omanikese Yamea Dumano, the Linuma be a go for more. The two on among Senator Asukwa Punch bit me a conkai. Now, Ubusa Minia, now the PR say, apart from quarantine baby and obey me a can. Oshe Asukwa, the Sumpa Gata Sukwaso. and then obi was store provision store and any other shop ewo kwan bi ho a apart from main street you know by 5:30 p.m. one two store no am kwa e mo be 7 na Roberts akono so esumpa akata aso so nyina sa sumu nyina no me ma me na ni tia wo kumpa Honorable Oseche Mensa Asma PRO Ken na me was station obi Omatimi Aji street light bulbs and chokes more than 4,000 achama assembly man for mo nyina askwan kan
oh yeah sure
opani ma menche wale bi na Akufo do nyansa nyame dia ma na odibu oman no esuba na ansa na omanpani ni nyansa odibu oman ne betimi aba fom pa batu nipa no gise ye wakandifo a omonso ewa ni suade mu na omanpani was ewo ni bi enti sa pa dia development pa etimi nkosoda aditi na megasa omanpani di nyoma bi gugu fom a one of wo se ni suade mu ni bi no omutimi kacha nyoma no ntem amomon fefo ana omon mantemu no enya sonfa so ba bi mu esofa bebre uhwe insio askwa ye hotire insio ba yo baby one water west pipe na dru baby ho enu ubeko kodu baby na amachi na ye nya ne nkola omo ko insio ina very bad those time nyina etwom because see abra e wo mu yin nya bra esese ni pa strike for no ibre ho fi say resources no e wo ho ahwan na odi ani mu akopesa resources na dia ma eno ni problem askwa afamu askwa mpuntu entimi nkoso menia ekoya na mi PRO kan wase be ba mi policies use here Honorable Kofi Dwuma etimi eye gutters ewo asokwa constituency almost 85% gutters and bridges oye ni nyina ipo part ni bi ho kra na omudi anwe guso ade na aka ye feel ni nyina ade na aka ne se ye di kota bi guso eni se be ma me Patricia oni Honorable Kofi Dwuma e wa asemo a na ye ni a ye ti man ni mu no so ye ni ye ti man ni mu no so na eno so omudi ya body asare because sa ekwan na Honorable Kofi Dwuma ye ni nyina no na pese mama to aso e ka problem bi ani ho wanye na de na every year and say otwa 4 years we no also be pay this current 4 years here ni be we o see abusuanfo manaroma na nyama ban na wo so ejimpuntu ana me prayer bass kwa nyina me zanka let's go o ma ka say dia mo me nyina ye mo mama na mama ye zanfa fie na nka no nyame ya dom ye ni fie na nka no ho a o ma pani sunie ono a me ma pani onie Papa, o ma pani ba yan so a impuntu ose se ba asokwa so di entimi ama asokwa asokwa nwuma nyina akafo bilia so o hwe the whole Ashanti regional babia o mo opportunity pa ananyame yesra yempa ya asokwa adintia your timber firms your companies
okay
your industries ahodo e wa asokwa nanso asokwa mrantie asokwa mabawa enyuma nkoye e wa asokwa me start ya bro ya bobo ni ya ni companies ni ebi didi nkomo ani adia me copy shoe factory
okay
obani me copy shoe factory no be real
and that's where you want it
ya juma sisi am no kase na asap na nipa 80 pe na ya juma factory
okay
me also infrastructure sini na is there already ayi hiya sa fa ni e betu foundation ai bibia sa nyoma we nyina ho but say because of that asokwa lack leadership nti emma eni suade hu kase bia na kwanya kase bia wo shoe factory wono ye hu
but na to ntinye bibia mfa emmo ma part dan say obe contest no
be la se be baby ye duru ni nyabra ese me boa obi ese me tisi be take control na me ketutu nyoma yi ma nyoma etimtuto yi eboa ma ejuma ana nyoma ye hwehwe free asokwa no etimi baso really shoe factory asoma me no kai omo wo machines wo ho a machines ye rubber mpaboa mpaboa bia ye rubber eno za machine no etimi ye anka ye mai enkotogu bi ma arobes nkota ko kwa mu engoju mu dwetere ka the whole Ghana shoe factory betimi produce chalowote warranty boot any challenge papa bi e rubber o metimi ayesa no ma we nyina na bro oni problem o nyina ne say o pese o motimi install sa machines we nyina but o mo ni sika o mo ni be install sa machines we nyina na musa management ne say na munye sika sen na mo metimi dey install sa machines we nyina so mo here just $1 million $1 million o metimi dey install sa machines we nyina na se na mo we na dey mbiem osu opani si yetimi install sa machines we nyina we a ye betimi afa workers 2000 abeka 8 na ho no am yam shame am so wow company we betimi afa nipa 2000 oh ora mo min twan yetimi install sa machines we nyina ye betimi improve nipa 2000 it what did am say oh na do timi the one district one factory aba ono Dr. Baumia asa one district one factory kwenya mo ho you need to be a basic or you need to be a installment. I install all these machines. You need to be a furniture. Me once you are not here. And about our square. Or when you don't move your way, so to free for your team. Now, come to show my brother. As when no one does with the chance of money. And then, Baba, when you are not here, I will almost sorry for you chop money from Mamel. Every week, school TV. Meanwhile, Renka, you install some machines when you are not castle. Constituency no kwa yem fa nipa 1500 neka 500 na aka yen chema ada constituency no ali tira make say because obiti asoka okoba antima ko yeduma okofuru ko okobo suntu ko yeduma na hofo no so bi ntimi nya kwanya na omo so mra asoka eme yeduma say ni so ade mu nyina o mbusa won say timothy mama edi ko so ala twaso na mama boya ko boya ya kabia was 4 years ago.
I know the management of shoe factory. I can't tell you. Say, on my trial, so on my part. Everything on our board. And what be every baby. Wow. You have been living some on tea, said Nanado, a policy beer, one district, one factory. Meaning, you may show some of them. We must say, oh, yes, I believe so. Some of them not such people. Oh, that was even. Oh, Julie J was a minor, and you're on the one district one factory. And now we are well. It's a private company. Okay. And I'm going to invest in a year. The pay over here, but it's not enough. Okay. It's not enough. Your baby won't need any infrastructure. But yeah, near war. And all my country was like auto machines in the ground. They just the machines. I can't install. Just installation of the machines. And I problem. Okay, let's no plan your policy back. I can policy for trauma. Sabe kwa ma shoe factory no. Sorry man. Okay, we in film dey good. Me say what this one no say. Me who say asokwa ha. Asokwa ha. Yen street light ni na enye. Na e mani so ade huru kase ba ko pa say. Ye betimi aboa. Ni amakọ na bia street bia light aye adwuma so. Community and say, oh, what's up? I got something to my Papa, make us a material. Fair, and you will be your whole more. Won't make near buy one number 9. You'll be on my own now by home. We have a policies in the beer. SAS street lights as well making. A soon a drew as well. I'm a crowphone, if I'm on here for a fast word. And the pet to walk in the house with you. And the idea of meeting me. When be a bit me a faso, you have a such a mensa. As I'm ready, my dear, but what to me, who for such a mensa? Maybe I don't know what ready majority leader. Oh, well, the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs is what they compare Deputy Minister, Mama Pata. Opening, can come. Avoid him. Can come. Kennedy Bob Boyd. Okay. Avoid him. Go for a crew. Avoid you up. Make many near the nearby constituency near example Menko, actually. Okay, so street lights. Street lights. You better say, Beverly, and I'll feel so. You better say, your mouth will be near in Supapa. Anno. If he said, so much you see, no more there. Oh, Chronoba so feels that you may be able to me a day. I couldn't name. Often you toss will be able to say, may employ Mountain Mabawa. On the patrol in the night. Okay. Volunteers. Sabe, baby. May you mountain Mabawa. Yeah, down.
Ombo de so mbo boy na ho ban.
No ska no just me.
Me da celebrate. Me share because as me senior me share yen che obi a. Your industries ni companies bebre e wa. As a set me ni assembly man ni unit committee ni ahim for tenase. Na any companies ni nyina tenase ni twa revenue bi ma wo. Na mo so me bi o motimi tua ni timi tua mrante ne ka. No mo boy nyina ho ban. If you say, we don't give you the dance say. Answer no be ba be ji asase so be ye dwuma oso no. E hye bi wo ho a. O man no kro no ene company kro no eko. San hye nyina enkoso. Baby wo kro companies bi bre wo kro toilet kura bi ni kromo ho hwe asokwa da ya man fa asokwa nya example baby me ko be sase me ka the whole city of Asokwa you need public toilet
asokwa da no nyina
oh more ho sisi ya me no ka say ya hona amanfo je ho nan
wow
oh e dro no pa na mo ni emi ya dipa ejeji na ko no nyina bebre e twen se mo no ye bebie na o ba wuro no akoyo mo yi
anya omko digya
aya omko digya no akoyo mo yi e di enti Asokwa sa 1844 sa anyo na etwam kura at least sa no mo di eset me be ye manfo no mo to
abusia obetwe do ade nshaba we screen ani a numbers no egu screen ani 0543 596 070 0543 596 070 Paje chane bra na nya mbra kama enche maybe amaratum na afike few course na afi yero na wo etimi ede esi you think come our Asokwa constituency surprisingly Ora Minta Divine Minta was saying elder to the Pentecost or MPP ni ana wate no say ho contemporary ede tia ono ankasa no parliament ma me Patricia Apeti deputy minister for science and environment I was in the more from pa Asokwa community ni na no TFI ejanabia udi afache ebi edimo ye baba wo na person dey wo kan ni nkra because it's a news to me say obeka say the whole Asokwa community ni e kasa Asokwa da dem Asokwa na kasa no TFI bi ani ko
odim schools are trying Asokwa mo share ni there is a public toilet there
okay
but it made for the students
yeah
but see ya ye ne ye mani nyina na ko ya ne ye mani nyina na ko imagine say penny one man will back drop money so go school na akore go do school na wa fa sebi otiro ahoko to additional one so ma be ko to wa nkro mu nyine duru ba bi ni ko so mu wa de dem aye ne nkola ni nyina na sebi ija ye nan ho very bad okay so to aso bi mu so a me won share say emra ye wo mu e information error
okay
ebra empo obi ti dem kora otibi de ne phone no odi di ne juma bia opeso odi di ene adin tra yemmoa yemma from Tinagati ediba na IT no omo ti bi nyamu nimde ene ba sa de because we asene esesa enti yemmoa yemma no me no ka say no adofo bi wo UK omo ti me nka say me tu sa na mo ya na omo ene me di nkomo say divine yebabo na yebo money ase better computers near the abroad tibi no wani nkoma na ko se constituency he nyina schools are above the government schools and the private schools nyina each year bia me providing 100 pieces of computers each school bia every year say already am do na be champion and we are each school bia of 400 computers say I don't talk those na assassinate am to so ever vie nine no fie mo twene to so dia na se ne we fie mo twe no na school bia 800 pieces of computers nipa e UK omo bro be 30 na come mo bo mo so mo support mo sa gba na so mo support mo sa gba so me no kase this education hu nya me pa nya me adum e di free last week Thursday ever nya me mo protocol our UST Kumasi Pole menya protocol ho me no kase envelope and go for envelope somebody abreme me tell mo envelope so me tell say more results are my photocopies ni ade a egu me kem e dos me bring nyame ya do mo china me dey call e dey come go china deadline eti mabomodi from most of the assembly minds are owo Asokwa anyina say wa obofre bia bra so say ese say okọ university no mo woni am maso nya dey enti na bo no sa kwa no so
right what the basic akraba making kind into me Emma Loretta where Loretta Amwa or the free Atunsu Bukuru or say yes Mike, I agree with Elder. I know him and I know he can do the work. The MP has failed us. She doesn't even come to Bukuru, and once she comes there, she will just spend 10 minutes and leave. You vote her out, okay? And also the Abba, I don't know. I say, good evening, Sir Mike. I sell at Atonsu market. Please tell the honorable member to come to the market. We will support her. Support him fully to win the election. Okay. Also, at the end, Paul also writes from Apatrepa. Is that Apatrepa?
Yes.
Apatrepa. Okay, we are Apatrepa. I say that good evening, Sir Mike. Elder and Eric should have joined together to unseat Mama Pat, but once they are both going, it will be difficult for them. Tell him to reconsider that decision. Okay, and also the Aban for the bra. When I'm not kind of my enche, Abia Manatu, now it's me afraid. But number no friends so where your WhatsApp line, the more friends no Madaruma, Mujai and find my where your WhatsApp line. If I WhatsApp message, you know, and if I saw at the bra, one friend, no man, difficult for me to read the messages or her. Was it Aspa is indeed ready for change. Desmond Atunsu Nedio de Abba and so I don't know. Masaud was a good evidence, Mike. I like the way the man is speaking, but please tell him Parliament is not a joke, not a joke. Mama Park has the experience and let's support her. And also at the or the Abba and hi, my name is Kuju from S Line. Yes, our roads are bad. Very, very bad, and so we need change. Okay, we say, have a good evening, Nana, and the MPP are not good. Okay, message, you know, I'm completing the ET in China, Mamma, what are your policies? No, maybe I'm copy around 9 young man too.
Namia Duma, Miss for me, so, Miss Anya support about me, so, US.
Okay.
Me no ka say no me wo NGO bia na ka me pra san ko betimi atiesi fom ansa na ya to abai but wo hwe lockdowns ahodo ene e one factor and now for the other reason so almost and mam say omo me versus bia wo election year omo nge and me to me bo na ye nto aba na wi ba omo ba nyina na say omo ba me ba
okay
me no wadi nkomo say be say me sin nursing training e wa so kwa ohiri bia o wa asase a Remember divine, because divine. I had a person who see nursing training. Oh, and no one has a woman go for Yamani. No one ever seen nursing training in the Amasuka. I score for Binyan nursing training. So I'm to Obama. I score for Binyan nursing training. After no such a Musua, Miss our professor Vinso, Oma Mikonia Cassiaba. Konya Cassia answer also or Bomi. Full scholarship will be a person who share their blood. Minoka say, Masha said, Jim Conform, no particular. Namia Dumo, I believe 2 na Mediamano. A full scholarship. Nina, or say, the Babo Asopafo, Amasopafo, Etimia Concan. And also that Chancellor. Then you said, Afibia, your for police, immigration, fire service, prisons, custom, your funny bar. I be MP or when you say, Dini Papa, call them Unibico.
I never inferior.
Oh, me won't be that. Me won't be that. I probably in say, oh. Yedi mama chisa mama say edumbe ko soja edumbe ko say afro mama nya power no ko am so da bi me fo bi nko police me fo bi nko soja me fo bi nko immigration enti mrati nyina so le nyina ma chisa awla ko woni mo a ni yedi wachi and we say me smart we have to say simple say sa ko nye beto ho mama ya me nton many brothers ni bia ana ba so ya to mama nipa a obi bre ko sala ko to aba mama na masako jiriska na nyame bitenya me kuro batua meka dabi ese se me bafom na me so me manfo for say omo na to abama me to be bo amrante eri nyina
good mene elder divine oseminta oye independent candidate our Asquat constituency in Ashanti region, Kumasi to be precise. and I know AD and come maybe I want to 0200 603602 but I offer not one the volume of a TV set till one phone my NT on our TV nation now for you to okay I go Piero I was a crab
said ye honorable come no credit we dey make our message on the parliament in you you parliament concert party for year ma wo ne obi obeko obi ya serious ne man nti no wo ye let dey me pesa me ma so kwa constituency ti ase ye say parliament no on say me din ni ye dey wo ho no mu na mum dey obabua ama Ghana because another the niema na ba to the stand say e wo say niema ni chimbe ba be sini pa che say obabua na man e ma ade no echimbe koso ye puntu ya ka echi asokwa de yimpuntuo de asantemem ha de ye aka echi enko yiye kete enti dia me pese me kama me manfo nyina atene se o se bi ntade nyame na de woma e de na bre asokwa na nyame ada wo mo to abama no a emu obi e na ada obi ada se na bia no da ko MDC da bi ye fi wo de
ma me pa ma so so sakon hello good evening good evening
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Afri.
Pastor Mr. Kumasi, section number 2.
Okay, it's you.
Pastor Maniaji, I'm opinion for independence. Beboa. As I said, the near the central end to the song, in a candidate now, saying one of evening. We now have contact open upgrade. I don't really go back to our work constituency in the first day.
Too bad. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Yes, good evening. I'm going to happen to say. Yeah, we do all this show coffee on this. But I mean, I'm here with you for now. And I will someone support the VOBA manager. Nigeria or independent, and then you have to papa. Because we want a flat. When the past is the clear, a good way so. So it's important. And what's for legends and your son here. As I said, we pass for speciality and go more. Everyone is here. I mean, my movie. We can see this is my yama as far. And we go as far this year. What I said, it's a good what I let you know, it's the minute, put you independent of open to take so they do a grammar as for flat. They do it independent of what you have for one the motion and the money as far as you and the money.
Ralph Minasi.
Hello, I'm a chap about animal producer, but that could be now. Can so not channel. Now, as a color, Kakaka, so you can see why from Amokamet. Our NDC, it will be catch as a papa to a NDC in a yellow crack. Amokamet, NDC near on the study for a neighbor. But Papa, some more can Osha at Square. It is a woman road. I told you, rivers at Square war at Patkaka. Railroad no, we travel here, ya can hold it. I'm born in Kona. Not same so but him ne, let's have been put 20 more. How do you want the city? I want to when Chemo baby a market way. Now, Western is here, take a Omayan come across the blood, and the Nipaka banner, railroad to Croatia. You go back to your pass out. Can you come find a crow?
Okay, Yanasi. Hello, good evening. Hello. Good evening.
Yeah, hello.
Good evening, Afri. Tia who phone on the lower the bottom of a TV set. Near to why? Okay, yeah, Fanati. Oh, but now over the bottom of a TV set. Now, what your phone let me at home. Can you do come up? Aska constituency or Madame Patricia Pages, honorable or member of parliament. But then, we see a lot of challenges among former contestants. More the power elder Divine or Saving Time. That's all contesting.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. Hello. Good evening.
Hello, good evening. Oh, Bob, is it your more phone? Na concentrate on the phone here in Kobo. Pierre, not one go see so can. Yes, in record.
Oh, Minia, so I said ye, and Crofu be free, Rapano, Camuya.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Hello. Evening. What is that?
Free.
We did it. You are watching.
Okay.
Because of free content. Oh, yeah.
Okay, you too.
All about someone who are working. Some local passage here, I pick up on this ground and teach a bobo. My many by a my. You could never be a see. Let quite a real men in our crown. You don't walk and catch up a word for you. It's your papa said, Yamidan, I don't know the son of the Yamini ever.
Okay. That's it. I think my father one more call. Now, me dear. Hello, good evening. And comes to okay.
Kumasi.
Right.
Na nsilanko na kuponse. Amse na kuponse timi misushwe ni makomaso ade. Ebize me MP no ma part no. Efi maybe a obopoye etichiye egu Kumasi na NPP ye lusuno. Maintenance ta bani ndi maame no hokora. Ndia ko pa bona se na obi na se obi sida na mu dia me se mi jira ho mu da oni mi da manye ala mo ko ma ko ma be se 200 votes only me na men kan ho amala tro.
Hello, good evening. I don't know. Ever phone is here. Piero, just a minute now for your face. I said, more support the crowd. I was supporting Yakaka. Oh, Debbie Minia. Now, was Cadia, but I didn't understand the move. Oh, Minia. Because I was a prime school, I would have 100 million. Yeah, sorry, I was a prime minister. Coming to have 50,000. As I delegated here. As I then can send for the Biano. The Caribbean of coming 2 billion. And look at the soccer, I don't know. So I said, I had 2 Oscar. I mean, cheaper as a major. Kitwe. Yama, a man for every or in Jumum. Our choir, your faso, so be obedience, say, or pray to me be our cream one. Sikasami and the Halenti, or what Jibis we are. Over to Fua, yes, sir. Yes, I said, Pierre Rebecca, baby, about to Fua, yes, sir. So, if I companion on Shabby, engineer there, who's there? Pierre Farison, I know. No, we saw who he got us. Yes. Many are 7 prayers are come to you, you say, and fire supplying to supply. And I said they were named Captain go to Vitiana VIP Sao Conkai. What did he never? It's young wow, and they been also swaya, Jenny, say you 2 and a mono when you are penny for baby, I some party penny for me, and penny food. Let's must be by no busa. Message now will be the buyer, boy, you know. 70 more will be dim. Now, some also the other you will be so when you also party, also cry as I want to say you bet me up for you know. Party by the phone one. But 20 minutes for being into that way, Filika. So what tell you, nature? Yeah, and Tino, a human way. Asamba kwa bidita to say me man for a wasopa. Okay. 7 previous and crophobia starting and no me NDC for and obi can say ye me am camel on the NDC the neighbor. Say see ya you so aye ka say no ye nim say mama mo an kasa nkrofo mu kura po no ye nua kro abeka ho sa say independent no ye nim pe face kwanya wo no be say ye vote ama wo mu na tima fa mu na so so pon say honorable Eric I'm telling you Eric was say yeah obese mu vote there be o na we ma me no organizer 8 years na ye beto aba just 4 months 7 days ye beto aba na wo yi wuti say wo ba be pay ya abi na wo he tells me say ya ma me na ma fa mo bi an contest no ma me na so kwa obelusu nti o ma me nko lusu ma seat no enko be foforo nti no akọ di seat no ene emi ni ade wo mu na me ka kire no e strategy a e wo
NPP asopa constituency ni mo said ye be ya ye nua no ba fa ye vote na what they aye eno so ye hu bibia na nyame so de ade na maye dada
Piero mama na say you a good friend yeah we a good friend ba
yeah go be so be a reverend
oh okay
yeah yeah we go Bible school or Christovani Bible College and Seminar
wow
your headquarters
oni honorable divine akasa ama me mate asese onko a oboa
okay
ebi kura onu ko na ma wabodua kura no se ade me nam se me elder mabodua masoro am won pia tuma se dada
okay yemre TV don't say the mrepa na o match of 15 minutes class and na say e tell for buy na ya we should team you very well you say emre you have much time to talk about development of our squad na ya help am for us come to the team yeah that's it all right obviously yani elder divine was say mita na edin como parliamentary candidate the aswa we know you independent as a no we NDC we NPP na ka be bisa sana no say PPP e one part intimi nusu mfa ko NDC na ebetimi aboa ono NDC ko ye twa ye ho emra ba Jake Azentilo NDC regional communication team member and afi so no Nana Ishen agree so regional communication team member for the NDP ebedi komo economic intelligence unit the omodiaba and they say to aba na December 7th NPP ebedi nkoni afi so anybody bring akasa e dey afa the violence ekoso e the various police centers the electoral commission restriction exercise no even amre na yedi komo should Hawa Kumsin resign as a minister for special development initiative or should the president sack her even amre na yedi nkwe eba trust Right, yes, I am Fakwaba and from Sinopi on Kumawood TV. We are live on Facebook, Kumawood TV, and then on YouTube, Sam Darko's TV. With me and your life. Your views, your thoughts, your comment on 0543 596 070. With me about William Yakin Kind Ediama. You go so AD and Komo. Therefore, and from Muhis Herbal Center, Dr. Mohammed Isa Abibu, or say Abia na ene yarebi ena edewo ato. How many one say eni na no yare. The people who are enka we bi akopa yarenti ene akafie, yarenti oyese serefo. Yarenti ena yarebi hawa. Mentwe yansa e ma no mbu mu dem ansa na wakase mu yanka. Bomoden nebre kumase. Odium amomaso domi abra ho ena Dr. Mohammed Isa Abibu owo uyo ba onukun ware fibreni awon emma oba tafahwe obeti etumi ede amawo ubi won so kura no a na wawo ba be 15 years 17 years da so edun so e won paso no so yare a ho aduru ho san so ena ebia na etwere bi ena ewo so stroke ena de waka dem ni nyina no Dr. Sebra na otumi enhwe emfama na de manage award 2019 Ghana nyina no se ono ena bibidro a ye de ye ni e ma tete no owo bi nti woni so na ye bisibisiri hawa modern lebre kumase na Muhis Herbal Center intumi enhwew intumi emwa obefre doctor ewo 0249 6169 37 0249 616937 odium amomaso do me abra kumase enwa se na meke ho ena Dr. Mohammed Isa Abibu ewo ebusia empanifo Canada se wo hoi edamansan komu na so bako ebi na obi ewu na esun ekoso buebuebu eje egbodi je awani a ananya se nipa na owu ne nko na emum kwa be fa se bija ne kwa kora no sika no na ayede enunti na God's way casket aba se ebremu a ene mo ayede no odi se be film bia no oba obetumi abo pa wodi 1 week ni bia na otu anamo abakuma se labor runabout ho na God's way casket akachi ngo ifana card be si nipa no ambulance adre batumu e free mortuary ede ko efie ede ko musini na no obetumi ama obi o ma sika so ama de yi no we are video coverage na afi so no e da funu nyina no entoma mpo na mo pesa mo han ede ye yi no nya be ma wo a nsi hu bia ne hu we are na e ka ubo nyina no wa ye yi na wi no wa betua etimi ede ama God's way casket we ene die onyame enam master atoso a wode ebre amanfo wi bi mo kira ena ye ofa sejon ye kuja ne kwan ye wakusie no na no ena bisuafo na ase pa ede ma God's way casket se ho de sika ho se be sika ho pa na da kara de God's way akate pa ena kama pa ede esi ye ofa sejon di won so bra na ebejo de obi bia so ewo mu abisua bia so wo mu a uni sika kwa na ye de mawo na emepem otimi abetua etumi ede ama God's way casket we friend no ewo 0243 737 457 0243 737 457 Kumasi labor runabout asafo ena owo bia wo bia no obeto adaka no a e de toka mu free e de koko jawa ye nyohwe nti wo bi wo Eastern region, Central region, Northern region, Ashanti region hana wa bia no oto zafre bitumi abo 0243 737 457 friend no obeje wo so na afi no otimi ene wo atwa kwatwe no eso iguso edi nkomo fa nche bere nyamre nkan emfa emma there been a lot of violence wo some police centers wo o my Ghana Electoral Commission voter registration exercise emubi na banda emubi asomase edwase tudumase ebaye ya TV kura nso ewo Kasoa TV ewo Eastern region any adate the current one DC ewo Ewutu Senior East ena madam anase honorable Hawa Kumsen member of parliament na onwano esa minister special development initiative enra DC ye ma unya ho kakra na enye ema ma me na dia tumu se ono akasa ko ho no na ne life at risk enti amanfo buba ne so no na wo so tutututu do no ayi tu on kem na ototo ye adwene ba da ba honorable minister trim kra se ɔkɔ on fa itu entimi emfa enko na Peace Council akasa the National Peace Council chairperson Reverend Emmanuel Asante akasa se maame no yiniladi sanso na esepa fonso kora no ede samno akopi mu ewo CID se maame no yemfe no ne yanyante se aposi pato so ede afre maame no a eku akododo no ha se kasafa no se de yakoso no anso ni His Excellency empa maame ni di no ho nkomo violence at various polling centers na fi wia ya beto aso ede nkomo the traditional economic intelligence unit ede aba se ye to aba December 7th die Jake mu nyina no enkusi aga John Dramani Mahama ene Prophet Jane na Opoku Ajiman ebesan ede kuku your views are to come Fabra na NPP rapper Oba or Jew studios ewi ene afene se ne ba e nakoto hospital emergency nti e wo se okọ nti se pon NPP na Isham se eni o kan ho a na de sinti a onkan ho nti ene de we ka se atuma Jake pa Jake
mina
azintilo akwa NDC obi ahụ yede bibi e koso kan what Jake ye shasi DC enra ewo kaswa anaze ewutu senya ne commentary ebeba ho I think say minister aka say na airban na life dey at risk entina ema ono so no self defense utimi atutu etu we one shot no dey my wa yana nso bikum bia we pro bia meet
na minchi ahwefo nyina o ma gibre o tie na nyure o mo hwe ya nyure na minda NDC bia so ase so hwe me nyure no ma chia former president of Mahama no ma chia me maame Professor Nana G Oba Tampa former president yi so mabua ma NDC we ni power we ni dia obo no former bua Ghana ma Oba Tampa oni dia enya dia obetwetwetwu because o ya Oba Tampa nti be oba kopia na sumdue baba Oba dia se dia mini ema ni dia ema nye ne ma basa ema ta twetwetwu rough nyinye sa ne ma no nti ye di se na mina na ji so ba ye vice president oba buama ma ko mun de wiase Ghana ebe kone ni ma be fa en tuma fa Afra mi didi se de bia ya kan se na Akufo-Addo o ya lawyer obi o ya lawyer dia se wa feel kura dia enya mra ye di bu o man wa feel bibia da bia meka sisi dia na Akufo-Addo ya lawyer ye nyina ye ni mu dia ya ka obi a so di mra ebu o man ya ona ya senka wo yi ba woni so ona ya president wa ba ane wasa de Ghana ekonechi o de Ghana konechi ba na yegusu ka oka ne mpanyimfo asofofo nkramfo mpanyimfo ayimfo institutions bibiri oka omunka na o ma continue ya abebe de eduru no afena nkofo bia start so mo kasa ba because na former president o ma ametia ko so GCB bia ntin no na o ma ba wonti sa sofo bi ni nyansafo no mo wahin o kansa bibiri ana o nyina ayira nti da bia na we abase ndisi for it se ye ni obi a o ka bi maye nti ye de bia o ti o ne ye bo wasoma ne aka cho se fa o se gu mu si because o die o bo no bo ni bia ana wo sware person wo mpene na ne mo wa ye so mu na onye o maya ayi wo ma ne emamu ada ya so president no hwe ya so sa ne koso mba ya mi di ya se president na Akufo-Addo ka be bi waduru ni di ka so ndue nko a se na se obetu fu se nkofo ga na o ban didi o mon kan Jesus o se aya na obi chire bi o president wa ya de ade ni start no o cho na esiewi o se o mun ko didi o mata mu wi amese da abaka so enye enu bi na da o be ye no o mbo ma mi ni di o na we aka na we di na tam na we aka we na we aka we na o cho o mu di na tam nyina wie ye be 1 week na Ghana focus o kasa no asada maka o de ma mi sheda maka ade ne ka asam bia ye nkofo bi o baka so media meye no abaka ba so sha ene me yakoso enya kura
e de na akoso
o se ye betro di no ye started di na ene me bebere koso ye ba radio ni TV so ayaka media for musum di mani be di echi na ma kan kura se de bi ade we ye no enye omo ya o no ma kan nyina abom NDC na MPP nyina ya pe aye no kure obetima akase nyina ya pe ba so obi otu fie ana tu be no obi bebo waso ha ka che ni pa kwasi de je ko ye ne enye se ya intimate chi ya fene sen an kan kure che ni pa bi so ade we ya wo ye ni nye mo ka che na akofo ado so na nei wa panti ni ni ma mo ye ne enye so she bia ya fene sen kisia ka se panyin no ti asama o kae on se anu da ya de mu bi wo program no ade na omu baka no ase odi wada no mu siesie asam no waka enti obi a ohwe ne bia na obi o tie ne bia so papa no aya ade ba na nya atwom bi hye baby aso ti kan straight se dia na president abati wa bibia be koso bia enye ono mpu yese ye ono bibia be si bia o baka ya media for ni stadogbe ani no munya abro tinsa wa na o ka cha president ama pamono president ama pamono wa ko fan kwala no wa twa wa sia na o mudi ko fatam ba we dia ba yo so minister ni dia esi yi na di bo na da ko fo du dinse papeli baby o waduru no obi ya de nya kasa kire no hwe MP mu a wo ye MP o city MP wa semra wo sese ba lessons bia apart from your constitution no letter commission for ni di ba law su bia ana mra bia ye de ba lessons no ya control din a omo no di sa mra no ekoso we no pese omo di dina so na ya de tro di ana se de ko to aba no omo da ko parliament ni MPs na di atu so ampa mra no we na se ye di so what you say by so share o besi die
okay omo screen no we any SSAkra ekoso obra nra the police station bi okoya mentima sakra by pictures so kan ho a yendin komo no ano be show atimi election
o say me dey so pictures ni so tie ma be ne kasa ne ndama wontia o si police for the bodyguard ko ndo ba video mu yi ni se obi o be ni bia police for sa ne di na chi pia no say ona wo ko so we twantro ama ne ko
it was after that incident the series
na police for no only be a police station no police station ko be police station two police for no o se be se da bia o ko so twantro na amo aba ba di MC no a wo no kura eka se ya frɛ wo no ka kyerɛ ne se niema e kɔ no on ka kyerɛ wo no bo so on firi wo na ebetimi de basa ba ana MC no mitie na anwumere ya wo network bi so wo so MC no ya frɛ ne se obi kura frɛ ne se si de niema e kɔ no on firi wo nkɔ enya sa ebetimi de basa ba wa nkɔ ana wo gina ho nti ayantro na wo twa na everybody go say tire say tru ya nya ba ko aye bebre ba dia me kan se dia me na me kan ye hyemra wo ka obi na wo se sa amra na wo di ma data commission for se in case me betro mi din na ya kaso wo nya gane ne de wo betima ye ne se wo be challenge so atia se enti ye fa ni se wo ye kro mu ni ba wo ne wo ye mpia wo ni mra wo hyemra ana wo siri mo ati se NDC for bi ni pa bi ba police station abawa betro wo se ye wo office bi be ho ye wo office bi be sa police station e wo ho your office bi wo che ho musi ye office musi ye nkofo na sesen nkofo abegu no mu yi omu e do mu ba betro into wo ba ya kura no mu ba ya no anya mu ba mu se musi ni pa na wo ho ni nyina ye e nkofo ya ba so anya yesi woye epidem woye benyin wo na oda constituency na anu die nka oduru ho ni kan yansasam wo nyasasam ko betima kan so mu die enya hwe mu ma wo ntro na mu challenge wo mu challenge wo ma ye behu so mu ye ga nani ana so mu qualify so ma ba betro ho epi mu a prevent say o mu piri wo mu ntro di no ani e president tell say wo ye pia wo nsu nchemra bia kiki wo si wo mpene afedie asam ni baby akwa ne se the free police for buy police for ni ka kire nse ko mu bechi omunkofo na ko empini so wo mpene ene dani takwa bibi na empia ko yitu akoyitu empia wo semra wo nim semra ma no kwansa unim enim ko asese awo epise district police commander nkura wo nim ni nama MPC TMP oye minister oso wo nim eyi commander ne ba ye nchen wo nim ni number aba enti mi ti okura na mi ti me wa ha kura ni se me pe sa police ni number just 5 minutes enti kan nsanka
that was self defense
yeah bi some no kan se be ye nsem because any cause so I better so ba part no oja de ogusu ka defense when you attack you wo mo ba ko prevent say wo mo obi ntro ni ti ana de wo when the two e ba ya ye ba
say motorbikes
well na me ken motorbikes ya ye pull agent for the ba ho esuo uchu twere na obi adwane omu dwane na omu ja moto no ana osama omu hye no da na MP ma kwasi yensi moto MPU so obi di moto kura ba na fidi so ya dwana da wo ho kwa yeso hye no for my police for my fan police station me kwa others na so hye no MPU o se mra we minister o di ni pe ni mu enye be bibiri o ha ye best as ti su ne kan ko kire o mo se ade na wo ye ne nye because ade na wo ye emfata gada democracy be dey do there soja ba kura sa we bi esi
okay
soja ba kura bi esi president Kufuor mu bi esi president former president Professor Mess o ya ba bi ko na ko fa the crazy onu kura bi esi president Mahama na mu sa we bi esi
okay see idea friend no who's
the only the answer other president for no only answer MC ni say president for no ko ni fie ana omu ko training statement omu say no pipe president for no ko ni fie no omu ko training statement enti nkofo start say omu ka say maame no asi e di ni ko court asi yi na di no ana afa na si ya di ni friend ni na ko president so ana wo mu o maya ye wo anya mo ayi onobu Carlos Ahinkra die ba ye ya kayo ya kan kofo edidi atom musi we so akwa ye bi onu subu mra no ye me ni ye so areza nto aya ade nti ya mfa ncha no wareza ko ne ga che o so obu okobokro ni we ni e tu ni e je ni amana asi e ja ma okofi ene si ko bia ko ko wi awu wi a na se ya nyawan ti wa na uko ye ti wa na o da ma o na ya ja ma okofi o man ya ye wo nu yes I am brand here and we today be oba mo wanye kukuduro wonam ogutetuo oguta bodyguard police nya woti and some of can say o sorry pff anopana na the police ni mma obakasi ye nim shi wo mawem when they catch now said minister who come be no police ni mma o driver mu be se ho be wie no mu nya ti wo twa because ade so officer no ade cha pa obeko ba bi 1 o'clock kurana o bodyguard no so o de ofie wa ba bi abel 12 no oto o driver ni ti ho twa
it's not possible say ebia we bet me see obra the time was a police in ban the
bodyguard ya o ko ba bi ya o di ne ti I don't never run so
me ba ade ye wa hai wo ya wo senata wo ne wonu ade shen ne ba
aba
na o ba ya bi esi no hako die bia na
police ni bodyguard dey ntisa ya no brother say bibinti ya ba man another police because any police for constituency obetimi aje police because on qualify say police ni guard no and then the first place I am thrown out and then they see na ko mo won so tuni wie ya na so di defend no ho ana jina no na so jina ho se ko bi be kun na o dare no wa ma won so si de ba de pa ko ni na ko di mi ka ko so okay ba won si na police for ni apa na cho bi an di na ko se ne ka ho common sense ade bi o twa na ye de because ade ye pe wa kun na wa mu twa ni na no gutetu na o twa fa wi o si de ba ya mu matago abe de o tutu ni wi e wo da si jina ho ama principal mo ne san ko ate wo wa ko se ka mo chi ko obi o ye begun o be kaya ye ko to balance bi wa tiwa nti na meka se Ghana panifo ni bi nka ko so ba kaya tiwa na ko ye balance bi wo sa atam ne ye hu mo organizer ni tedi soso na go fo ta ke no o mo ba so ta no so tu ne ka no o dwane so ba kaya IPP fo ni se wo di tu fa nipa bi su na we oyo ba chambone si nipa je wo tu ne ka onu kura ye be kunu no o ne ye friend se ya batako sisi se ne tie na o ko fo ba de wa na mi tuo ne ba yi mi tuo ne ma tu ne me da so tuo Abraham ni se nko fo ni ba be kumi enti sa wo ye wo ma organize wo twa no o tu ne ka na wo twa IPP fo ka e ti na to ni ba bibiri kan wa nya ade na se obi ye be kumi ni ti si we
okay
wo kuta tuo
se mo se ade na
oh enye na yesusu oh mmerani wo ani kwa so mtira na obi kwa na so ka ntira ka na ko fa do wo ya papa onya papa ase edi agusu ye jano onya papa ase edi ya friend say onye eja yes ye di fie ma no adase ye di kuro se nsa wo nya so obi na so ka wuni wa obi se ko se wuni se mmerani so obu mmerani so se na se ya wo ono kura wa da so ti wo da so akuta ni position o da so ti wo kasi abekwa ka se ya fire ni dada so on reason ase ka ya fire ni kura asakwa ye di na so enti ehunye se ye be bisa NDC ni ana ye be bisa o ma swale swale kaso ma me no ye nyina di ana ya fa ni kokoti no bi na so oka na na ku fa do wonim better because o ya lawyer o kai constitution ana o ma so ne share mra no enti ya pese mi chane se madi ntina ho ba mi se ya ni da ho ana ku fa do da bia ye ka waseda pa na wonti ya na bia o be twantro o ti be twantro for the Ghanaians ayi PPs ni me di aba we me di we akwa ade ya ba che ni ho o ma twantro sa o mi twantro na Ghana fo ni bia di se nsama o kan ye ne kore eni me bebre o mo do o ma do aka ba eni ho o ma ka se bebre o ko ka ademu media force dey na first na mo tata NDC for no ani de sisa de munyira maka manu atu
na media force NDC
ade to fom kwa yes mahama obi se na ta arukwa no da ni se ayes do mahama obi ko ta arukwa no wa ngare ni muyi ayes do mahama ani bi na ekoso yi na na ko fa arukwa ye monidi BBC ya se ya mo minister ni di ani na ko fa arukwa ye monidi ke do mahama amana papa we be mu ba enye mo sa ne ya ka tua ani ye nya wo Ghana hwe last week na me ka che o se edi na ba biye NDC NDC strong no ene ntakwa kwaso obi a ohwe ni bisa ho questions edi na ye fie ene ntakwa kwaso me ma ozakwa oba obi tisa so ase asante reji awoye NDC seat ogo obi tisa adura awoye NDC seat ogo obi tisa Trafran praise awoye NDC ogo miamia honorable former MP honorable Akosa Abdul Tapateba ahono gabu ni eketu obi we timi je ni we yadi ani ntina aho baby no mo di soldiers na kwa kugu nti obi bisa questions cha de ntina baby NDC ye sit ye timi ma baby ti se bantima ye ba baby ti se manhia ye ba baby ti su nhia so ame ye jakwa ame di nkofo atam emba so nkofo mba aye ni nkofo meko ba ten bia to ye panyini pa no ye kristoni na wo nyanya atumpanti bi so won question se ade ntina mi timi fie na obi aba wo so ba bomi mimi ye na dun se mi mpina ya se mi mo na mi nya we complain dodo
merci
ni be bibie ko so ya
take azantilo na what in kan se so se binti NP rep na nation entimi ameka yes e go so dey komo your views your thoughts your comments or the baba na nyamra kan e dey am 0543 596 070 Winyamre akekan etimi e dey am Jonat Herbal Clinic Doc Sebra ibiana awo na ehun aye dey am stroke e dey odihye bi academ hepatitis yare no habre pa A to D no nyina no waso ba obetimi agwa ahwe kama hwe one hu se yare bi oho a ne amanuro na tumi agwa wase pressure no e na waso obetimi atutu na mo de bi da no aba na otimi ahwe we no sikaketu we bi na doctor bejo na o want to do so yare bi a obi ano obetimi eye figo e de amount was a typhoid fever na hawa omani a nebra na doctor etimi emod we bia na wo no watinchini ache wakwa enkoye ni na se anwade no etimi so na ta bia na wote so oba na se koko edudu wi no ama esiuto esiso ho na ma bia ense fata omani na ebra na do not have a clinic etimi emwa etimi entiara na se krakra etimi enfama kumase fantastic food kwan so a na yebo oboase kwan so fantastic food ho na do not have a clinic akache no ewo 020 199 955 020 199 955 and 0244 874341 do not have a clinic na mafo ni na je so eho e free ho no free say eho na no ma me enwa onko ho nyame wadom ema awo ebi etimi ebaye ene so no etiase yentu ehomra sema yeba wuremu na IEU predictions abode aba ahead of December 7th elections no edi hu enkomo se nei ena wo a wotie mi ehwe mi wakoto aba ana December 7th yakoto aba wo to ama NDC ana wo to ama NPP research a o ma ye no kire se NPP de be wini. Do you agree with them? And I say, only say, Debbie, Ibia, get to a banwa, or dear, over so I took a man you go for. In Piambra, Eba, Eba, Right, yes, I am Fakwaba and from Sinupi on Comerwood TV. We saw Edin come your views, your comments, Rebanin American kind at me at the amount. OPK Gosun was a super incompetent Mahama. NNDC don't have any good thing to offer as after collapsing all the sectors of the economy with great loot and share. For more for the visionary Nana Akufo-Addo to do more. I know the other Abba, I don't know. Robbie Fashion, they so or say as we all know, the WASI has started yesterday. We wish the candidate good luck and cause speed in their exams. Okay, OPK there and so Abba. Sorry, Robbie Fashion there or the Abba. No, teacher could you Tepa in a so NDC told Ghanaians that they don't want to register in the current registration exercise. Why are they fighting over the registration when a party have incompetent people as leaders? They suffer both in government and in opposition. Regards to Honorable Suleiman Ademu for a North MP. Nana Yao, right from Seshi Debiso, tell the NPP they can shoot and shoot. Even when they shoot and it's left with 3 people in Ghana, those 3 people will vote for Mahama to become president. Akufo-Addo, no more. Regards to the man at your studios. Okay. We saw every Bantima Masaudu was a fellow Ghanaians. COVID-19 is real and no respecter of persons. So let's do all to observe all these safety protocols to protect ourselves and our lovely country. Regards to Honorable Nana Kwame Asamoah Boateng. Okay, also the other no Emilia, also right from Asawase constituency. This wasn't an indirect report, but I heard her speak with the host how she fired a gunshot and the way she said it wasn't like she have regretted what she did. She should be arrested just like others without favoritism. Regards to all social democrats. Good evening, Sir Mike. I have fallen in love with the man speaking. Please, the fact of the matter is that the minister should resign and the constituents should vote against her to prove that they are indeed human beings. If she would have killed all of them, who would vote for her? These people are the other can't and not on my show. And I meet me, I can at the amount. Also, for the Ebra, in Yamre, and we can enfa amount economic intelligence unit say a Twabanda NDC.
And some of
almost say the contest will be closest, but Twabadia infrastructure, development, and then Yama NDPI. Ghana for any interest, only trust. And this movie, you don't know, Mahama.
Yo, I'm trying to make a call on my indicator. Miamia, Fano, Honorable Akosadu said. Oh, I don't lose you, one no. Oh, yes. One of Akosadu said, never true. I don't lose you, never true. Lose you, somewhere we are. One no. Honorable Akosadu said. What do I have politics at you? Only Tapa for this is your musu. Almost say, Tama also on go school or Tapa. We use about secondary school. Okay. We are not child, and obey you to employment, and obey DMP. We are all caught up, a choir what happened on a year. Sweet lad, baby, I know some was to take a CSM call. Or soon go Mahama so sad, and also because in crew, me here, Grunso, me here was what I know what you call it. Oh, you see also 60%, and you lose power. And all cover will be by. And then Tapa phone you soon said, on about the side say, the power tells Sambra, Intimitiano, Tapa phone, the Amopiano was Samba, and a Dua, Mungo Traba. What's in for now? Economic Intelligence Unit, IE. Almost free. Also free. Globally, a research team. They normally predict the outcomes of elections, and some of their predictions don't go as well.
me na to fanche
anti
we ye June dia o ma ye no re so
okay we ye June dia okay mi nim dia o mu digina so ye ani ye nim questions so o mu bisa go me nti me ka o mu statement no nti mi nim questions a o mu digina so bisa ya ani mi nim be because o mu koye he oni ba konti aga na for the to abadi ti a president Mahama na na ko fa do kai ne Dr. Bani adua no mu di to abadi ti a o enema o mu digina so di to abadi a president Mahama ne say na fuwe na na ko fa do ka se fuwe 16 cedi ne board ni do Mahama o ye wudi nti na fuwe ko 16 cedi nti driver for ento abama no oba o beti so sa no kai ana driver for nji tu because ana Ghana for do no free car free class e ba no na o nyina ko nketo aba no o ji tu so okay ene sa dia so say fuwe do Mahama ye wudi ni na petrol ye 16 cedi ya ye beto abama na ko fa do 2 on can say omo tu kwa akofa ni ma free China ni Dubai na yi ba no sa tom na do Mahama dollar no na do Mahama be free power na dollar no 2016 na dollar no e 39 a ba bi o call black market na bi o benya no 42 nti we de ma me fa no 42 na ana o ka che omo ko didwa se no omo eto ne ma de ba no ka che se eni ma buo because of dollar ni nti do Mahama nti Mahama ni dollar no nti se ya de me ba one ne vice ya se woni de woni wi ase nya asa nyina no omumu de ni ba o ma dollar na ti aba fom enu ntina o ma no mutu kwa ko fa ne ma won se dollar kosoro so a bibia wo kosoro nti e ma Ghana ni bia edidi ana o mutu to aba ma na akufa do sisi am no ka sa petrol dia na me ka na 16 cedi no sisi akwa ko dru 23 driver ni sun to bi se driver ni bia se bi o da bi mu da o bi se nse minua driver sisi petrol ni be 16 cedi u pa na o mpa o driver ni be ka che o so petrol 23 se bi ti na bi mu da o to ba ka che o 60 because ni bo aba fo sisi akura ye kan kura driver ni ya bi aba ya ti passengers no so petrol ye tu o enu ti na driver fo ni bi ka se nyakopon do o si driver fo ni bi ka se tu do Mahama e do mu bo ni che o ma o mu nyim so o ma kwa ya because we so we campaign to do Mahama ana o mo ko kwa so ni se dollar me no kan ya re kura bank fo tu kwa de bire no dollar ni e ko 7 cedi to de yam fan right figure
me say be 5.8 na ko say
o de yam 5.8 no o de me no enter ndi na obi aka arefo no mo de se ya sa de che minim se nya sa ba me de ma me fa me nua ne de ana waka no tama le do Mahama ye 42 o mo si wa bon nti na dollar ne ye 42 si se obi se obi okosita dollar no bisa ne se o ka che ne se 42 oh kuma wu TV sisi a na 5.8 o se 5.8 57 o se 57 sebio obi o na adu ni da ho si se 42 da ha na 57 da ha o ehi na o bako
di kamoda so
le ba za wo na o ka na ya ni mistake se wo na wo da so wo wa what maintain the overture ya no when you kosoro ya ka say when na what so aka chance logic we nya da na nkwa na ya mu bisa sa questions we ya ni nti ase bugo uka che Ghana ni si dollar no ntimi ma ni nti a enu ti na Ghana ni to abati ya no so ati ase enti so we say anya ma we nyina ho chi we nyina bounce e ho kunu ko fu o tina etifie sa ne ba ni nyina no mu di jo ho num do Mahama ta ko na engu bank bia ne service and rose best 3b ana na aigu ye di o ma ta do Mahama ta sa ne mi no ka se almost 400 and something banks ni service and rose egu sa ko fo no de bank bia service and rose bia o de yam fa ni pattern ho fa ta mi 400 woni nipa o ma lose o mu jobs ye hwese ne ba ni nya na di to abama na akofo do ba sa de ba na America ni na menua sisi bibia bo akosoro yeso o ma ka che ni so ani mudwa planting for food buy aduane efo ana me no ka se mu ba ni keto no jo Mahama ti akonya no so na mu ba ni keto no woto a o yere no ma o betima no akakra di na 25 30 cedi ane adru 50 cedi 60 cedi 70 cedi na waka atira Ghana ni se saa ne ba ni ntino odijira su di to abati a president Mahama no ane saa ne ba ni bo no
ayo double na so akọ ye sobe o mo se Ghana for say na na kufa no otu niemam ba ya pe logic we ehun nya say obi ye o say
omo compare
I don't know me can say
Ghanaians trust JDM as compared to
I don't know me can say Ghana ni na o ka sa asam se bi o na adwunu mu da ho never to no 2016 and no 2023 na Ghana ni no na adwunu mu da no da compare odu compare o say no mum o 23 na o to no mum ya better than so no 2016 aba nti o gidi se Ghana ni ba ka sa asam ni what do you mean down to say the omuye omu twantroba and your cause na me bisa Ghana for
also we industrialization infrastructures
growth in agriculture bobo obetima grow dey ya me kasa me ntari su document me go to document ehun nya se me kasa NDC town
okay
I make the service
I mean ya o manage mo amore mo so betimi afre afi ya temo so mo
ehun nya se me kasa NDC town agree grow 50% nya wona bi me ma me na wo ti kro keto no do ma ha town na grow no to da kunu wa se na etisan I know to da kunu anena ye say agree ka grow aduana ba be bu no do kunu no wuti fi ana etisan
okay
I don't hear them ani fufuo tawa do ma na ta moto fufuo fa asiya ane aduana ba be bu moto fufuo fa asiya we I just learned it to you
I dey answer attempt me na ho o yes
I don't think they can say so okay say so mu we niema wa ya I don't think omudi I better than do ma I think me man example so say agree ka bua me be go for people agwa kan go bia aduana ni to didi ane wo tu fe de o hwe me ane do kunu wan si de tisai ane fufuo to fa si de tisai ane bode fa si de tisai do ma na ta mo de tisai enti so ka se gura o beti ba gura no ofi pani document ni mo beti ba gura ba ye nu na Ghana ni hwehwe o
okay my name is Skraba Nana Ebo from Pristia Heman I said why not if President Akufo-Addo didn't do something about Honorable Hawa Kumsi's issue before this weekend. Nanado, we will show you where power is. Even forget about our region, Western region, especially Pristia, we need Valley, because we still have trust in JDM. I want a tourism minister, a member of parliament. Okay. Was it good evening? NBC will come 2020. We need message here. What's that? What the source say? We need Nana. So mean to see bright angel Eddie Ifri of Wasi and our day Abba. I say please, Mr. Host, why is the Christian Council talking now? They should blame themselves. They should rather congratulate the woman hypocrites Christian Council. Oh, are you sure? We say my name is Ken Fela Upupa Ken Fala Upupa, watching live from California. Today is my first watching you. Keep it up. All the way. Okay, Ken. Yes, ma utimbo no for na eti ho na enti on camera na what the volume of the TV set ni ati on ka e ofo no yedi nkomo on electoral violence and affairs no predictions about say NPP elections no come say about 7th week economic intelligence unit at the ABA. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Yeah, I think you are free.
I'm not going to be able to share, man.
Christian, okay, yes, you.
You know what say? And I'm what about come every day came far. Now the agriculture president is what to say. Why are they Ghana for Agronom? Yes, that any needs to go more because COVID-19 I want to go by. Yes, you know about it. ọmọ ma ya tete passenger so ka mi ka say president Kufuor no ba drama so ma ye o samba de kwa so ma ye o bi o samba garam se so ma ye o case job ama police and soldiers ama amu timi ti ba wa tere din adi dem ma for machines amu ko na di mi je se na mi di nya e duru no wa abura bo so so chese da ko ke ke so ka mamu na mamu di iska e ta ta ga se so we are koko wọ́n wọ́n ti ní àǹtí gbogbo ẹbí a ṣọ́ọ̀tì nso a màmá náà ọ̀dẹ kyẹ́ kẹ̀kẹ́ nọ wọ́n bá wọ́n tán ẹ̀mẹ́ dídá mọ́ ẹ̀mí gbọ́ mọ́ náà kọ̀ fẹ́ tún àlẹ́ bi ẹ̀nu náà ti.
ẹ fọ ẹsìn náà òbí sọ bẹẹ bí wàá lọ ẹbí tí wọn máa yẹ hello good evening hello good evening ó fura náà wọ́n the volume of your TV set náà ti ń wọ̀ fóònù. I didn't mean how many times I should repeat myself. Hello, good evening. Oh, Fran, no, I already said, Ubi lower the bottom of your TV set. No, what you want from my answer. I'm sorry. To me, anyone in hello, good evening.
Good evening,
I don't, we are free.
Wow, this is Kofi and this. How come we here in the peak? Wakasa. MPP follow Omampeni Nanado and Tiasense. Omino, Yadi Mom, Tiasun Jim. That's it. Yes, Tiasun Jim Pan, and if you trust them Pan, young MPP no aye. Look at it. If you can't see the conforming for cost. And the time the empty so yeah, look more cost. Okay, we can free. What the claim of cancer of one is no minister. Also for training, and the ship for me on peninsula, and the line was well boundary. To see money, cooking, also registration, Kakaya register, also opportunity to know near that day. Yes, train penny for. Now, you know for the good man for. What I said, because you are shooting, you're members of the Kenya or where you are.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Madam.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, free.
Yeah, but you're waiting to for Pablo.
Okay. When are you free?
Cafe free
Bogo, so you see one.
Yo, me pacho, mom say I'm Mr. Me coming MP, or you go bedroom don't could you? Na NBC members of what we say on the value. I have to say, yeah, and a man white, Okaka, now almost say, yeah, politics. If you have to so much lower, also I can figure inside the area too, but you see, I say MP before. The violence is your mama, your wife, and was down a coin. If you are just a battle, be the president, and not done to quite to training there, by a so. A Pamochama, 77, you to me, will be no opportunity to. Under a cruising on your end, why yes, clear not also a president, your ocean on cat, Watson, on your end, why you quit between.
Good evening. Good evening, free.
Good
Okay.
Amemo Honorable Abasopa Bakropere. Na minimise Honorable Kanina na Oshe Nema Suya Modiba ya. Ili ame nyamuwa because na kufago. Se mbi bi ya no kuma. Kasa fone nam from. Kama fo yugo. Ghana free sika koka bank a manfo twa ntweso motia no ye kokomiti wo di sanso we no mo fankata na maame na tutrasem no ye so because maame na tutrasem no mo pe bibia be so ze ya ku far be we ne isentrofo ye ka ho asem na me adoma 2020 no Ghana fo ko to be tia na me ku wado ankasa.
Okay, that will be hello. Good evening.
Okay.
Hello, good evening.
Hello?
But lower the volume of your TV set. Now, good evening. Okay. Obi the message about. I say please ask the NDC man who said this. Pick up your guns and defend yourself.
Hello.
Yeah, you are free.
I'm a customer back to the
Yeah, you are free. I don't think you are free.
Hello.
Who free?
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Because I can get you.
Okay, yes.
Nana do I know why you papa bro. Nana you hear never you want to power boy magana. So that say boy am my na yakoya ni me for any magana na moya ndamwa omoya ngomoya na omka you fan say nana do I be. Better someone will need you.
Okay. Janasi. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Uni abi afraid for any.
Ya dumo.
Uni abi afraid.
Ba jo me frɛ. I'm a friend from Odumasi.
From Odumasi.
But I am from Mike Kenny.
Okay, I need you.
I'm back to you. My son say, yes, slap and the phone pass said two. Yes, slap. Now, yes, passenger or your man. Yes, slap. Now, almost you know, so now, that them the MY. Why?
Okay.
You move on with your mind.
Right, then I see. I am afraid for this. I am ready. It's me, afraid for be a debut. Jake.
Yeah, see there now.
Yeah, now, who's where you on?
Madam for you.
Madam for Selina Ofori, aka Akusiensia. So we are 1 week celebration. Oh, okay, so Thursday, and I'm going to pay. Now, Ashtown, opposite Openi, Opoku Transport. So, what's that one? Okay. Now, Barry, I know on Thursday. Okay. Now, as a Friday, no, we be a session. So Thursday, Friday, no. Okay. Ashtown. Okay.
Me you see there na me kan. Me pese makani bibiri. Ane me ma me a woti kurokejo. Ana ofa ka be kuma si Joma amata. Ni case ka na otua. Ane ya double. Ohwe case ka ya tumu na se ya. Nti se Ghana ni baka so o pese there na ko fa do be ya. Wonim se aban we su ne ya aban ya obenye escapa. Lockdown ni ba yi ale ba yi. Fiska e ko je free. Your friends are well back. Nihiska Pezamama, and the two or Senka, Chiriba, why Missicana, a teacher.
Okay.
What funny now? And think Kamudi be bois, kind of for Kakran and Kamudi be a Jumegu, who be a Juma say, Mogum go for a Juma, but ne, MPP Fono, Ejo Monimino Cassas, MPP need be anyone, no share monina. Obi Yusuka 2020. People for no cash over 2017. So, skin you up and take cars now over to and one will be useful. Yet Kenya soon cry more quasole, Nanya Yatu. What's your MPP Minister be? I will use a car 2018. Being you walk, I am 2020. Just said the piano, Scano Moody. Right. Until they catch a Ghana for the set.
Regional communication team member of the NDC and I put in unfortunately, in your penny nation that we are by. I said the bound funnel, the wish of funnel, very speedy recovery. Namia Duma, Obalinsia, the one and Ashtown, now Mawabi Jabi, now IFA. So, and that cost health service, na contact last week. We and also the dear no much now 1 week celebration no Yankobwa now the Bia and Kama. My main chair Mr. Peter Aka. Mr. Aka or Sim Chair Nebusian Funina. Meaning the Michael Nana Atuma, we producer Bernard Ade, executive producer Samuel Kwabna Dako, Deep OP Frank Kobe and then MCR VTR Loretta and I face Augustina. Production manager, Ochi Nozo, the only one. Director, Samuel Kwabna Dakusa, Brantia Mofe, Ayame, Ashada, Atunubuasi, Eshano. Within the Michael, Nana Adma, Yame Admochina, 4066 television, na SNP, I'm a minor, Akoso, the crowd.